Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Samsung brand washer and dryer having gasket damage. This gasket I'm going to replace today. I will show you how to replace this gasket and we will go to the next step. Now I have to remove back cover, top cover, two screws are here, and after that we can take it out. And drawer and two screws are here. And also I have to remove here door spring. Here door spring we can remove like that. Slowly we have to remove, otherwise. Okay, anyway, it is gasket already got damaged. Now we have to remove the door switch, two screws. And also you can see here, this one also one door switch. We can remove, we have to remove this one also. Now we can release the gasket from the front cover. Also we have to remove screws are here, front panel screws, and after that we can remove now I already removed the front panel. After that we have to remove these two screws. Also downside screws are here, 1, 2, 3 screws are here. And now I can take it out. Door. Now all the we have to take it up, otherwise lift off. After that it will come. It's like that. Now you can see we have to release this lock here. Also this one here. We can remove this connector. Now we can take it out though. Now you can see here the gasket here, dry duct here. We have to remove this dry duct gasket lock. Here is one spring, actually we can release that spring here. We can remove. Now we have to release this one. And you can the springs we have to remove. We can loose while turning screw here, and now we can take it out. You can see here also damage, also here huge damage. Because of that, actually machine while working time pressure sensor is not stable. It will come sometime malfunctioning because of the pressure, water pressure. It's not come permanent. Because of that we have to replace this gasket. We can repair, but it is not the good work. Because of that only I am decided to replace this gasket. Now we have to, while we are going to replace this gasket, definitely we have to remove this balance. This is 13 number nuts all. We have to remove all 6 screws, and after that we can take it out. Now I'm going to remove that one. Now I already removed 2 balance. Now we can change, we can fix new gasket. We have to release this spring before fixing. Now I'm going to fix new gasket for the washing machine, but here a little bit dirty, we have to clean. And this gasket, before fixing, you have to check this arrow mark. Also here one arrow mark, we have to fix in between here and here. It should come to the arrow mark. After that it will come direct. Its balance, it will come here like that. This arrow mark also it's coming here after fixing, and because of that we have to care of about that. Now I'm going to fix this one. Now you can see here, and before fixing this one we have to take this one, this spring, we have to keep it up. And now we will fix here. Now I already fixed gasket. Now I have to remove this spring again because I couldn't fix that spring. Because of that I have to remove again. This one I have to fix. Now okay, I fixed already. Now I have to tie it properly. Now I already tied the which is spring, top spring. Now I have to fix again gasket for the duct, dry duct. Now we can fix this spring here. Now it should come like that. Now what I'm going to do, I remove the spring. Now I'm going to fix another clamp. This clamp I'm going to fix here. Now it's okay. Now we can fix. Now we can fix balance again as same before. Now okay, I already fixed balance, gasket, everything. Now we have to fix front door cover. We have to keep those switch here. Here before fixing we have to fix this all. here lock also, and also here we have to fix properly this door switch, and also this screw we have to fix before fixing the door. Now it's okay. Now I can fix the door. It will come like that. And now I have to fix the screws are here. Now I have to fix here down. 3 screws are here. Now I have to fix door switch here. Now I already door switch. I already fixed. Now I have to fix gasket again to the door. Now I already fixed gasket. Now it's complete. Now I have to fix only the gasket springs. Now already fixed. Everything perfect. We can close and check. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix the front panel only. Now we have to fix detergent drawer. Now it's okay. Also now we can give the power connection and we can check. Now finally I have to fix this connector. Door switch connector, it's already I fixed now. Now we can give the power connection and we can check. Now I already given power connection. Now I will go for the spin cycle. This one while you checking is no any spin cycle separately, but we can select here spin and rings. After that we have to cancel. Now after cancelling ring cycle is coming direct spin. Now I can select whatever 1002. Now door already got locked. Now machine will start. Now I have to fix only the top cover. My job already completed. Now I can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video.